In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can get your Wolt promo code in June 2024. Wolt promo codes offer discounts or special deals, making meals more affordable or enticing. They enhance the overall customer experience by providing added value and creating a sense of excitement around ordering through the platform. To do this, simply head into your Safari. It can be any other browser of your own choice. You will then type in Wolt promo code June 2024. You will see a bunch of different websites, but you will have to choose a legit site just like this one that has 50% off any purchase on Wolt. Choose any coupon code and tap on Copy Code. Your code will get copied to clipboard. Go to the Wolt official website. On the payment page, paste in your coupon code. Double check down and see if your code is applied successfully before making any payments. That's how easy it is to get your Wolt promo code in June. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.